Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a lid box from a lovely piece of spalted wood. So first of all we are going to be using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools to take off that bark and take it to round. And now we've switched to the full-size rougher. And now we're going to start by making a tenon so we can hold it into the chuck. And here's the detailer to match the angles of the jaws. Clear up the nubbin on the end. There you go. Alright, we've got it mounted in the chuck and we see there's a bit of a crack on there, so we're going to have to get rid of that. Now grab a pencil, mark out where we're going to put the part into. Right about there. And we're going to part it off. There we go, we've got the lathe turned back on and we're going to get rid of that nubbin using the mid-size rougher. Bring the tailstock back up for support. We're going to make another tenon here now for when we want to turn the lid. Back to the detailer to mark the angles of the jaws. Rougher just to take it round to shape. A pencil line to mark out where we want the lid and the box separated, and now we're separated. There we go, just going to twist it off and separate it once again. And we're going to take that nubbin off once again. And once again bring the tailstock up for support. We're going to use the parting tool here just to see where we want to go down to. And we're going to start with the number 1 hollower just to start with a bit of shaping. There's the detailer, the finisher, the mid-size one. I actually decided that the box part of this was a little bit too tall, so as you can see right about now we come in a little bit higher than expected. There's the detailer just working her way around the bottom. And now the parting tool just to clean it up. There you go. Alright, so we're going to get to hollowing. First tool we're going to use is the mid-size number 1 hollower. Here's the mid-size rougher for the to give the shelf, and it's back to the number 1 hollower. So we give the piece of wood or the box a bit of like a collar look. And now we're going to go back with the number 1 hollower to finish up the hollowing. For the vast majority of it. And here is the mid-size finisher, just to clean it all up on the inside and take out any lumps and bumps that might have been left over. Bit of compressed air there. Going to check the wall thickness with the finger calipers. Alright, so we're going to do a bit of 400 sanding from Klingspor Abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain. Some matte sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You wipe this all over, let the abrasives break down. Wipe it all on until you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. Wiping it on the inside now. There you go. Final wipe over. There you go. Alright, some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax now. Just wipe all this over. Allow for the solvents to evaporate. Turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and then you buff it in. Build up that heat, don't push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. There you go. Alright, so we're just going to hard it off now. Excuse the arm. But there you go. Alright, so on to the lid. So we're going to mark out the width here. If you're going to do this, then make sure the lathe's going slow and only put the left side down. Just going to mark out with a pencil so both you and I could see it. Alright, we've got the lathe up to speed now, and now we're going to turn it to its final diameter. flatten that top end surface off. And I'll hollow it out now. There you go. So I finished the inside off camera, so we're just going to start by turning this to shape. Obviously using the mid-size rougher here. So now we're going to stay with the mid-size rougher and we're going to start by doming it. Now I've moved to the mid-size detailer. And this is the super fine point detailer, also known as a CI7, just to get right in there. Alright, back to the 400 grit. Clean the grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Again, just buff it in until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. And finally some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Wipe it all over, let the solvents evaporate, and then buff it in. Build up that heat, and obviously don't push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Give us a big old thumbs up. Please don't forget, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. If you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side, and until next week, I will see you then. Bye bye for now.